Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have AB equals 100, BC equals 200, CA equals 300, and here we to solve for the value of A plus B plus C. To solve for the value of A plus B plus C, we need to get the value of A, B and C. So to solve this, solution. So we have AB equals 100, we call it equation 1. BC equals 200, equation 2. CA equals 300, equation 3. So from here, the first thing we are going to do, step one is that we are going to multiply AB times BC and divide it by CA. So we have AB multiplied by BC divided by CA. Now in this case, the value of AB is 100, so 100 times BC is 200, then divided by CA 300. So this 0 cancel this 0, we are left with 100 times 2 is equal to 200 over 3. And from here, C will divide C, A will divide A, we have B times B. B times B is equal to B squared, so we have B squared is equal to 200 over 3. Now, this is for step 1. The next step 2, for step 2, what we are going to do is this. We are going to multiply BC times CA and divide it by AB. So we have this, that will multiply BC times CA and divide it by AB. So this equals, the value of BC is 200 multiplied by CA is 300 divided by AB is 100. This 0 cancel this 0. We have 200 times 3 is equal to 600. Now, A, we cancel A. B, we cancel out B. C times C is C squared. So C squared equals to 600, okay, from step 2. The next step is this. For step 3, right here, step 3, what we are going to do is this. We are going to multiply AB times CA and divide it by BC. So right here, we are going to multiply AB times CA and divide it by BC. The value of AB is 100 times CA is 300 divided by BC is 200. This 0 cancel out this 0. This equals 100 times 3 is 300 over 2. Now, B cancel out B, C cancel C, A times A is A squared. From here, A squared is equal to 300 over 2, the value equals 150. So A squared equals to 150 for step 3. With this, let us write down the values of what we got from the various steps. For A squared, we have equals 150. Okay, for C squared, okay, B squared first. For B squared, we got 200 over 3. And y for C squared, the value is equal to 600. Okay, 600. So writing this down equals 600. So with this, the next thing we're going to do is to recall that from here, if you have A plus B plus C all squared, this equals A squared plus B squared plus C squared, then plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. In this case, the value of A plus B plus C all squared is equals A squared is 150 plus B squared is 200 over 3 plus C squared is 600 plus 2 times AB. The value of AB is simply 100, then plus 2 times the value of BC is 200 plus, okay, right here, the value of CA is 300, so 2 times 300. From this, we have A plus B plus C all squared. This equals now 150 plus 200 over 3, then plus 600 plus 2 times 100 is 200 plus 2 times 200, 400 plus 2 times 300, 600. So from here, we have the value of A plus B plus C all squared to equal, so 150 plus 600 plus 200 plus 400 plus 600, the value equals to 1950. Then we have plus 200 over 3. And with this, we can write down 1950 as over 1. So from here, the value of a plus b plus c all squared is equal to the LCM of 1 and 3 is 3 over 3. So when we divide 3 times, 3 times 1950, the value equals 5850 plus 3 divided 3, 1. 1 times 200 is 200. From here, we have the value of, in brackets, a plus b plus c all squared to equal 5850 plus 200. The value equals 6050 over 3. From here, the next thing we're going to do is to remove the square from here, and to do so, square root the equation. So we have this, we have the square root of, in brackets, a plus b plus c all squared, and this equals, for the right hand side, we also have the square root of 6050 all over 3. Okay, so from here, square, we cancel out square root. We have a plus b plus c. This equals, this can be written as the square root of 6050 over the square root of 3. From here, a plus b plus c equals, the square root of 6050 can be written as the square root of 2 times 5 squared times 11 squared all over the square root of 3. From this, we have the value of a plus b plus c to equals, this can be written as the square root of 2 times the square root of 5 squared times the square root of 11 squared all over the square root of 3. From here, a plus b plus c equals square root of 2, then times square cancel out square root, we have 5, times square cancel square root, we have 11 over the square root of 3. From here, a plus b plus c equals 5 times 11, 55, times root 2 divided by root 3. So with this, we have the value of a plus b plus c to equals, we can multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 3. This becomes 55 root 2, then over root 3, then multiply this by root 3 and divide by root 3. Next, a plus b plus c equals 55, then times root 2 times root 3 is simply root 6 over root 3 times root 3, the value equals to 3. So from this, a plus b plus c equals 55 root 6 divided by 3. And this is the final answer to the given question. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.